Emini Futures Trade of the Day. Hello everyone, Day Trader Matt here. Hope you're having an awesome day. And today I wanted to highlight a trade that we did take, and it turned into being a massive winner. You know, we talk about day trading being difficult, risky, all of that. It weighs on the mind, but sometimes you have trades like this and they just build accounts. You know, we ended up getting long right in here at 27.57, taking a 2-point stop, which was literally right here at this line. That risked $100 per contract. We did take a partial off here at 27.62, somewhere around this line here, which gave us a 5-point or $250 per contract partial gain. So first target was $250. Risk was $100. So right there, you're already at 2.5 to 1 reward to risk. So that's not too bad. And then what we did is we just watched price, and it kept moving up, so we just kept staying with the trade, and you know, we would move our stop up accordingly, and that way we were in the trade. You know, I had to take off in this area here. I had to leave, so we went ahead and took the trade off at 27.82. 27.82 would be right in here, and that to the entry gave us 25 points or $1,250. So not a bad day at all. You know, if you're trading 2 contracts, awesome day. If you're trading 5 contracts, even better. If you're trading 10 contracts, even better. You know, but the whole idea is to be able to trade. You know, if you can't trade a small account, there's no way you're going to trade a big account. And that's what the whole concept behind a business with trading is trading like a business. You know, you have a business with trading. It's not you're a trader, you know, let's work on the business at another time. No, that is your business. And you have to be able to manage your business, manage your numbers. And in order to do that, you know, you're consistently making money, so that way when you get days like this, it's just awesome. You know, let's go out, celebrate, have a great time. You know, maybe just record a video like I'm doing. This basically gave us 30 points per a 4 risk, or a 7.5 to 1. Which is a very, very good, very, very good risk reward. You know, and this is really what we want, something like this. You know, if we're getting a 7.5 to 1 trade, you know, how many trades do you have to do to really make a good amount of money? You know, making $1,500 in one day, and you know, this is obviously assuming 2 contracts. You know, you could have 4, 6, or 10. I love even numbers myself, so I trade even numbers. You know, if you're trading odd numbers, it's really, you know, do you want to run the odd number, or do you want to take it off as a partial? You know, that's the only difference between running odd numbers versus running even numbers. But I wanted to highlight this video, talk about it a little bit. You know, we were watching this. These 2 were levels already. We had some levels up here also, and whenever the market opened, it was very strong. It was very strong. So we were watching price, and then over here around 10 o'clock, we decided, okay, let's jump in this trade. You know, see if it has any legs, and it really did. You know, I had 4 scump legs where it could run for, you know, over all 50 states or something like that, assuming he could run on water. No, he could run over 12 states. I think that's what he did in the movie, ran 12 states. And that's basically what this did. It ran just like Forrest Gump did. If you haven't seen that movie, it's awesome. You know, Tom Hanks did a very good job, but that is another story. You know, I just wanted to show this. So if you're risking 2 points, you don't have to make a lot to be able to make money. Now, let's say you get long here and you're risking 7 points. You know, then, yeah, you can't take 5 points off. It has to be a big winner. You know, and that's really the difference between, you know, risking small, risking large. I always say know your trade, know your stop. It's important, you know, because if you are only risking 2 points, you don't have to make a lot of money to get 2 times your risk, or 3 or 4 or 5 times your risk. You know, if you're risking more, especially when you're day trading, you know, the ES moves, you know, usually on average about 10 to 20 points a day. You know, this day was not an average day. Obviously it was NFP and stuff like that. You had other stuff happening, and it, you know, the market moved. It was very nice. You know, but you don't have days like this every day where the market just runs, you know, 30 plus points. You know, you don't have that all the time. You know, it was a little over 30 points if you want to include all of this all day. You know, this was pre-market right here, but it still moved very, very nicely. You know, and that's one thing that you really want to take into account, you know, the market environment, what's going on. You know, the market was in an uptrend coming into this, and it just, you know, took off, which was very interesting. You know, let's say if the market was in a downtrend, would we really be expecting a gap and go situation? Most likely not, because this is where the market closed yesterday, right here. And today it opened up here. You know, and it just took off. You know, and that's really what you want to take into account. You know, where is the market, where has it been, and where's it most likely to go? And that's what we do in our analysis videos that we try to put out every week, but it doesn't always happen that way. But that's what the videos are supposed to be, is, you know, where have we been, where are we most likely to go, and usually we do have a couple different scenarios of where it can go. You know, as the market started moving today, it did look like it was going to just take off. You know, if it would have rolled over and taken out our stop, obviously something else was playing out, and we would have to go with the other option. But since it didn't happen, we took our trade and we got in. And trading is all about risk. You know, if somebody tells you there's no risk trading, you know, you want to run from that person because they're a snake oil salesman. But anyway, it is what it is. Wanted to highlight this. Hopefully you got something out of today's video. I know it was a little bit of a rant, a little bit convoluted, but I try to get out the information. I don't really script these videos, as you can probably tell. If you got something out of it, feel free to share. You know, share what you got out of it. You can also email me if you want to ask a question and you don't want everyone in the world to see it. support@abusinesswithtrading.com. You know, that's fine as well. With that, thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the channel, you can subscribe. That's definitely a thing you could do. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.